How to turn the ringer on the iPhone 15 Pro Max, let's jump on in. There are actually two ways to turn on ring mode on this iPhone. The first way is to swipe down with one finger from the upper right corner of the screen and then tap on the bell icon. Silent mode is now turned off and the ringer is turned on. The second way to turn on ring mode on the iPhone 15 Pro Max is to use the action button. The action button is located on the left side of the iPhone right here. If you left the action button on the default settings, all you need to do to either turn on or turn off ring mode on the iPhone 15 Pro Max is to long tap on this action button right here. And when you do that, on top you will either see ring mode turned on, and if you long tap on it again, ring mode will be turned off. So let me do this again. Now ring mode is on, and when I do it again, the iPhone 15 Pro Max will be in silent mode. And that's it guys, this is how you turn on the ringer on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more iPhone tutorials.